Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to display contents of a text file on command line Linux. Go into the Windows tab and type in command prompt. Click on the command prompt application to open it up. For today's example, I'm going to run the system info command and export it to a text file. This command displays all of your computer specs and other technical information. To begin the command and export it to a text file, you'll want to type in the following command: systeminfo, which is the name of the command, space, the greater than sign, space, then the location of where you would like the file to be saved to, which in my case is C drive, /users, /owner, /desktop, /, then the name of what you'd like to call the file, which in this example, I'm going to use export followed by .txt. Now hit the enter button on your keyboard. Now if we check out my desktop, you'll see that there's an export.txt, and if we open it up, the system info command output will be in the file. And it's as easy as that. Exporting your command prompt output to a text file is a fairly simple task to perform. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and comment below. We'll do our best to answer them all. See you in the next video.